Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Marilyn Kalinyahan, 33 years old, single from Panglao, Bohol, Philippines. I have three children, ages 10, 9, and 2 years old. I have three brothers and three sisters. I am a high school graduate. I have an experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years from 2021 to 2024. I take care of four family members, two adults and two kids, ages 3 and 5 years old. My responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, cleaning the toilet. I also take responsible for the kids' necessities. I am hardworking, responsible, trustworthy, and I am honest. I hope you hired me as your domestic helper. Thank you very much.